Ready to unlock the secret to sealing deals with your style. First, let's talk general office days. Think business casual. A neat button-down shirt or blouse paired with slacks or a knee-length skirt works wonders. And remember to keep the colors neutral and approachable. When showing properties, comfort is key, but keep it classy. Opt for chinos or dark jeans without rips or tears, a polo shirt, or a simple blouse, and comfortable walking shoes are a must to keep you quick and nimble. Meeting clients for lunch, elevate your look with a blazer. It instantly adds polish and professionalism, paired with tailored pants, or a skirt and a dress shirt or blouse. Open houses are prime time to impress. A well-fitting suit projects confidence and competence, so be sure it's tailored and wrinkle-free, complemented by professional shoes. The devil's in the details. A classic watch, a simple belt, and minimal jewelry can enhance your overall appearance, but avoid anything too flashy or distracting. So there you have it, a wardrobe that works as hard as you do. Dress with confidence and watch your success soar. Don't forget to subscribe for more realtor tips, and let us know in the comments what your go-to realtor outfit is.